Amimek, before the start, you told us that the only thing that you could win is the Chapela, and now
Finally, I win it. It's nice, but yeah, I'm super proud here of the team. Like a Movistar team, we did this one all together. So we need 6. But no, I'm so proud of the team. They work so well together, so professional, and yeah, it was. Yeah, I'm extra happy because it's a win of all the 6 of us.
this last year your career as a cyclist has changed in Movistar.
Yes, because it gives me new energy. I was having a good time in my past team in Australia, but it was time for something new. And I'm also really proud to help a little bit girls like Sarah Martin, for example, to improve maybe a bit Spanish cycling. And there's so many talented girls in Movistar, and maybe they just needed a leader. And I think you can also see today, everyone's level is going higher and higher.
Here, to the winner in the Basque Country, we call her Chapelduna because of the
Chapeluna.
Chapela.
Yeah.
So now you are the winner, you are the Chapelduna.
Chapeluna, I like the name. Thank you.